How to add Favicon in Wix. I am inside the Wix website editor, and once we have entered it, we want to click on settings here at the top left corner, and you should be able to see Favicon under get found on Google. If we select this option, then it will automatically take us to the page where we can upload our Favicon or store logo. As you can see, general social image, and we can just click on this plus sign or upload image. And once we select it, it is going to look like this, and we can choose one of our uploaded files, or we can simply upload the media directly from our computer here. And we have to choose the image itself. It is going to take a little bit of time to actually upload, and it's going to look like this. And once you make sure that it is highlighted, we will click on choose file here. And now, as you can see, if we click on save, we have successfully uploaded our Favicon to Wix. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.